What's up my friends? In this video I will show you how to log into Novobanco Portugal online banking. So guys, if you have a browse a login, to click right Novobank login, click the first result. If you want to Portuguese language, click this one. If you want to traduction English, click right mouse and click English, hit traduction and click sign in. After that guys, what you have to do from this section, write your association number, and PIN code, and this is you can enter your PIN. Just click this one and write your PIN from here. The same thing guys about the app. Download the app and you see option 2, you see this option from here, just like this option you see on your app, and login from here. Just write your number from here, for example this number, and write your 4-pin number, and this is how you can do. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then don't forget, give like, give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question guys down below in the comments, and I will try to answer your question as soon as possible.